Hi all, welcome to Virtual Pixel. When I bought the Kindle that I'm using today, my primary intention was to pick up the long low skill that I had, reading. And believe me, it definitely helped. I read 5 to 6 books in the last 40 days. I don't think correlating my refound love to Kindle only is a right assumption. Definitely, I was motivated. But the Kindle helped. It took away a lot of friction between me and reading a book. Can read at night? There you go, you have a backlit display. Physical books are too heavy and hard to carry around, especially when traveling. Don't worry, here's a device for you that is lighter than 200 grams, which is lighter than some of the smartphones today. Do you don't want to look at screens all day? Please don't. This feels and behaves exactly like physical paper. You could even fool someone by saying that this is framed paper, assuming they don't know what Kindle is. I want to share a few of the accessories that I found for my Kindle which enhance my experience. According to me, these are essential accessories. I'm not including anything just because they look good. But mind you, some of them do look good. Kindle has a lot of protective covers that you can buy to keep it safe. Even Amazon makes one. But there is one problem though. It defeats the purpose of owning a Kindle. The essence of the product is the portability and ease of use. Covering it up with a book-like case make it bulky and heavy and directly opposes the product's key feature. Hence, I decided not to invest in a flip case for Kindle. However, I still wanted to ensure the product was kept clean and safe. And I like the concept of the official Kindle leather case by Amazon. I wanted something similar, but in a sleeve format, so that I can keep my Kindle safe when I'm not reading it and I can take it out whenever I want to read. That is when I came across the Chalk Factory leather sleeve for Kindle. It feels exactly like leather with white stitching across the borders, which makes it aesthetically pleasing. This is a dark color, a black color, and you can get the same sleeve in other colors if you want. This is available for other devices as well, like iPads, even laptops. So, if you want a similar product to keep your device safe, do check the description where I have linked the product. This is a good looking product with a velcro strap to close it up when you are not using it. There's one issue though. The velcro is inside the sleeve rather than outside the sleeve, which makes it hard to close and open. This is really good for aesthetic purposes, but bad for daily use since you have to fiddle around with it at all times when you want to open it or close it. Also, the velcro that is inside the sleeve is probably not going to damage the Kindle screen. But I still have to be careful when I'm sliding this in to ensure that the screen is away from the velcro inside the sleeve. Apart from that, this is the perfect size for my 11th gen 6.8-inch screen Kindle Paperwhite. You can also charge your Kindle when it is inside the sleeve. The leather feeling of this sleeve is going to add a touch of sophistication to your reading experience. I bought this from Amazon for around 600 rupees, and for that money, I think this is a good deal. The second must-have accessory for your Kindle is a finger grip. Because of the relatively large size of Kindle, it is really hard to hold this on single hand for a long time. When you are reading on a single hand for a long time, it will create pressure points in your hand, which is hard to deal with. That is where a finger grip comes in. The one I have is a strap style finger grip. You can use any mobile finger grip on your Kindle because of the similarity in weight, it is going to hold your Kindle just fine. There are multiple styles of grips for your phone, and you can use whatever you find most ergonomic for your hands. I tried to use a puck style grip earlier, but that was also creating stress points in my fingers. That is when I switched to a strap style grip. There are multiple options available in Amazon and Flipkart. I paid around 350 rupees for my strap style finger grip. You can find costlier and cheaper alternatives for this. I will try to add links to my grip as well as some other alternatives in the description below. These grips attach to Kindle with pre-applied double-side tape that is already on them. You just have to peel it and stick to your device. That's it. One more thing you need to take note of is the position of the grips. Since Kindle is a fairly wide device, you have to take note of the predominant hand that you use to hold your Kindle and apply the grip offset from that center towards your predominant hand. or else you'll have to reach for it, which is not a good experience. These grips enhances the one-handedness and portability of the Kindle by a mile. So here you go. These are two of the accessories that I bought for my Kindle which enhance my experience. I hope this was informative for you. Do comment below if you want to see more Kindle related content. That's it for today. Do subscribe to my channel if you find this useful. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again. Bye.